In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Lumin Sign Salesforce integration. First, head to the Salesforce AppExchange, find Lumin Sign, and click Get It Now. On the installation screen, choose whether to install for admins or users or specific profiles. Then click Install. To allow Lumin to send and receive data, check the box to grant access and hit Continue. Next, we need to assign user permissions. For admins, assign the Lumin Admin, Site Guest User, and Lumin User sets. For non-admins, assign the Site Guest User and Lumin User sets. To do this, click the permission set, select Manage Assignments, and then Add Assignment. For your user, click Assign and repeat these steps for the remaining sets. Now, let's link your Lumin workspace to your Salesforce tenant. In the Lumin Sign app, go to the Lumin Admin tab. As an admin, click Register OAuth Client, and then click Authorize Lumin. Select the workspace where your templates are stored, and click Allow Access. To activate the webhook, we'll need to set up a new site in Salesforce. You can find the specific configuration details under Step 2 of the Lumin Admin tab. Head to Setup, then search for Sites. Set the site label as Lumin Webhook. The name will auto-populate. Check the box to make the site active. In the Active Site homepage field, enter In Maintenance, and for the site template, enter Site Template. Once that's done, click Save. Now click Public Access Settings, then Assign Users. Select Lumin Webhook, followed by Permission Set Assignments. Click Edit Assignments, find the Lumin Site Guest User, add it to the Enabled section, and hit Save. Now that the site is live, we need to bridge the gap between both platforms. From the Lumin admin page in Salesforce, copy the webhook URL. Next, head over to your Lumin settings and select Developer Settings. Under Account Callback, paste the webhook URL and hit Save. Finally, jump back to the Lumin Admin tab in Salesforce. Under Step 2, click Update DCR Registration to complete your site configuration. Finally, let's add the Lumin Sign components to your page. We'll use the Account section for this example. Open an account record, click the Setup gear, and select Edit Page. Look for the components labeled Lumin Document Actions and Signature Request Related List. Drag and drop these wherever you'd like them to appear on the page. Hit Save, and you're all set. Your Lumin Sign integration is ready to go.